anything with the clowns that I wouldn't do.
Hi, I'm Jake Jarvi, the writer and director of Haunt Season.
Hi, I'm Janet, and I play V in Haunt Season.
It's a haunted house slasher set in the Halloween season that's been also described as Clerks in a Haunted House. So right now we are at Abandoned Haunted House. We are going to go through the Stalker Maze, and I, for someone who has written and directed horror movies, am a very terrified person in a haunted house. So
I love haunted houses, but I'm still very scared. I know, it's a bad idea. Oh my god!
Oh, fuck.
I'm scared. Why am I laughing?
Oh no! Okay!
Jake, it's okay. Come back.
Stay for dinner with me. You wouldn't be so jumpy if you stayed for dinner. I was serving places, man.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh, that looks real. Oh shit!
Oh no! Wait.
Where are we going?
We got drugs and alcohol, and we got women.
What?
Yeah, we got.
You've got women?
Yeah, I got all kinds of women.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
What kind do you want? Come on.
Okay.
Oh, come on in.
Oh,
we got everything you can ever
no!
want.
Oh my gosh, it's a hotel! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I've stayed in hotels like this.
Oh no! You stayed in hotels like this? That's crazy.
No.
Is there someone?
Oh!
We're gonna get this party going again. It's kind of died down, but we're gonna help pick it up.
Who is this?
You guys, I can tell you like
What did you do to her?
things have died down a little bit. But I'm
Died down.
You guys, since you're
This is so cool.
I know.
This feels very Bates Motel-y.
Jake, look! Look at that!
No.
Yeah!
You look like a great group to have a party with tonight. Don't do anything with the clowns that I wouldn't do.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. What wouldn't you do?
I guess we'll never know. No, I know. I hear something. Jake is so scared right now.
No.
Jake.
Oh no. Oh no.
He screams like a girl.
Oh, no, he's very scared today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Go get him. Get him.
No.
You're doing great, Jake.
Where do you think we are now? Something happened here.
Something happened?
Oh yeah. There's an arm.
An arm? Oh.
Oh, okay. No!
Oh my god! Nah.
No way!
Oh no!
What is this? Yes. What are we doing here? Oh boy.
Oh no! Wait, is this a ride?
Do we go this way?
This way. No, you go back the way you came. This Turn way. around 3 times.
You're the clowns. You're the clowns that girl was talking about.
Who? Hey, you. Door.
Someone.
Go. Hey, buddy.
Oh!
Buddy, I gotta.
No, that's not funny.
I feel like we should have a car.
No, it's not funny.
Don't
Don't know what'd be great is if it had an engine.
Okay.
It don't. It don't.
Gotcha.
I sure wish it did. But you need to go into the darkness now.
Oh, see? Because then they're standing there, and one of them's real.
No, one of them has to be real.
All right, I'm so sorry about this.
One of them's real. No, Jake! Can you go get him, please? Go scare him.
No.
Yeah, get him!
No, okay.
Thank you, good. You said I'm so sorry and then oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Wait, are we supposed to go under you? Oh
Okay. Whoa. This is cool.
This is
cemetery.
Is so cool.
It's beautiful.
This is like the back rooms, Jake.
The vampires?
No, the back rooms.
Oh, the back rooms. Okay.
It's kind of like that.
I thought you were saying vampires, but like old timey.
No, the back rooms. No, thank you. I'm scared.
All right, I feel. Okay.
Jake,
Guys, I'm scared.
you got this. We believe in you.
We believe.
Okay.
I knew. I had a feeling.
I'm so glad it was you that time.
Oh, wow.
Wow. No.
Is that somebody?
I don't
Hold on,
know.
let me see.
Yeah. You go take a look.
No, you go take a look. I think it's someone. Just assume. Are you
They're
okay?
getting you now. I love it.
Are you okay?
This is so much better than them getting me.
What? They are getting you. Only sometimes. Ooh, we're in a. Oh no! Why are you up there? Ah! Wait, you don't think we go this way? Okay.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah, right by you.
I like that.
Uh-oh. It's a crematorium.
Oh, okay.
This is where they do the paperwork.
Where they do the paperwork.
Crematory.
Yeah, we're in a crematory. Oh.
Looking good.
Great level sucks. Jacob's off that back.
Hi.
Good job. You made it because you're still alive.
Well,
Oh, thank you.
What's good? Is this your place?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Oh, picture time.
We're at a honey farm now.
Yeah, we're at the meat.
Oh, honey ham. We're at
Honey
the meat.
ham.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
What? Oh my goodness. How do you win? Wait, I kind of like it. I like that too.
Bees.
Oh, I don't like bees.
Job's not on board.
Do you like bees? Yes. Do you have honey?
Wow.
What?
This place is awesome.
It's huge.
It looks so good.
I know, it does. It's really good.
Whoa. Okay.
I hear it. I hear something.
At least it makes me feel kind of prepared. Hi. Oh my God.
Oh no, wait, it's not over.
Oh, there you are. Oh, hi. Hi. Hello.
Don't tell me, please don't.
I don't know.
Okay, that can't. No, I don't think so.
One of them is gonna be.
I thought. Oh, yep, there it is. There's the moving one. Yep, there's the moving
Oh
one.
no.
You did pretty good.
No.
You did pretty good. I won't lie. That was.
Oh no.
Oh, hello.
No. I mean, I'm sure you're very nice. Oh my God.
That's your best
Oh
friend
my
right
God.
there. Yeah. That one. Yup, that one.
Wow. No! Hey! Hey!
No, you just have to, Jake, you just gotta talk to them.
Hey, guys, it's okay.
Yeah, see, like that.
Guys, it's okay.
Hey guys, we have some very scared patrons.
It's okay, you guys.
Oh, I can't see. Yup, hug the wall. Wait, he looks so
He looks
cool.
so cool.
You look so cool
That
in
looks
that light.
incredible, dude.
That looks sick.
Yeah.
You look so cool.
What are you doing? I just wanted to show you a card trick and you go running away.
I'm sorry.
So rude.
That was incredible. That was incredible.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much for
Thank you. Thank you for having
shortened
us.
lifespan.